I'm going to do a video on testing these door locks on a washing machine. So basically you got a heating sort of circuit here and the bimetallic strip. So when your door's locked, the heating but moves this bimetallic strip and that pin holds it in the lock position. So if I was to press that pin, you can see it just pops back and the lock springs back in place. So basically all you can test is this heater circuit and make sure that the door lock mechanism is working as well. So put it in the closed position. I'm going to test the heating circuit. It's called a PTS or a PTC sensor or something like that. So test that for continuity. It should be in the kilo ohms range. Well, it's 1.1 kilo ohm, that is. So that heating thing is okay. And now I'll test the door lock as well. So really low resistance. So you just make two measurements between them two and then 3 and 4. That is it. That door lock's fine. Just let you have a bit of a close up of that. Obviously I've removed the cover on this one. All this would be enclosed.